Very good. So the next thing we're going to look at is the System.out.print line, all right, versus the System.out.print. Okay. Now the one we've been so familiar with is System.out.print line, all right. So, but we've actually not looked at System.out.print. So can we just practicalize and see how it works? So
yes.
let's head straight to our IntelliJ. Okay. So now I want you to just come down, hit enter. If you just want to type out System.out.print lines directly, just type out, right? So it brings up this many possibilities. Select the first one, just double click, and it brings up this for you. What should we print on our screen? Someone should give me a suggestion. What should we print on our screen?
I want to make a calculator app.
Okay, I want to make a calculator app. So make sure it's within speech marks. So I want to make a calculator app. All right. So let me just correct this. So I want to make a calculator app, and let me run this and let me see what it gives me. Run.
Okay.
Make sure your semicolon is there at the end of that command.
Okay.
All right.
No wonder it didn't work.
So I want to make a calculator app. All right. So I want you to write the same line of code. All right. Just below it, repeat the same line of code and run it. We are driving at something that I just want to show you. All right.
Okay.
All right. So let me see what you get. So who is there?
Okay, done.
All right. So everybody there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then now we are going to replicate the same thing. Now change the statement. Please give me another statement that we're going to use. Now remove the line. Just remove the line. Only the line, please. So I have only System.out.print. Then change the statements. Just change it to something else. Okay. So I have this. Then run it and see what it gives you. Make sure you put your semicolon. It gives you this, right? Now repeat the same code just below, just like you did for the first one. Repeat the same code. Just hit enter, then repeat it. Then run and see.
Oh, it does. It comes out the same line, both of them. I see.
Okay. So
that and makes it be on its own line.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Let me get everybody's feedback. Have you done that?
Indeed.
I'm doing it.
Okay.
I don't know how my own loads immediately. I click it. It doesn't take even up to a second and it loads.
Mine actually takes a while. I don't know why.
Mine doesn't take any time. Immediately I click it, it loads.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Have you done that, Mohammed?
Yes.
Madi, have you done that?
I have.
Okay. Then Joy?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay. Jonathan? The thing is, we are looking at the System.out.print line and the normal System.out.print. So it's better seeing how it differs from the other by doing it yourself. Is that right? So if you use the System.out.print line command a few times, you see that.
Sir.
Yeah.
Is the both of them are connected?
Very good. That's
exactly
what I want to show you. Right. So like, there's no spacing. There's no. It prints on the same line. Is that right?
I add a space on my own.
Okay. How did you add a space?
By adding plus. That plus stuff.
Okay, you can add the plus, which is very smart, or you can add just a space at the end of the last sentence, just like a space bar. Just click space bar. All right, so that is just the major difference between those two commands. So make sure that you use the right one, especially when you want to print your statement in different lines, right? So that I don't end up using maybe the normal print. I notice that everything is chopped up and all that.